episodes. Oh! Hey guys, welcome to my life. And today, guess what? I got my pen and I'm ready. Oh yeah, to draw. Okay, let me here. Okay, I already started drawing this. What's supposed to be a truck, I think. Not sure what that is. Well, I'm gonna build on this. So I'll take it over to my self. Okay, let's go. Well, there once was a truck. The truck had an exhaust pipe. Don't fail on me now! Wait. Okay, I got it now. I got it. Had an exhaustion pipe. The pipe put out a lot of smoke. The person from our last one, over there, he got angry, thinking, why is this truck smoking? Where's the question mark? It's right there. Okay. So, well, the smoke became bigger and bigger and bigger. Until it reached the man, okay? The man got even crosser because he really didn't like the smoke. So he called the police. Woo! 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 I don't even know what I'm doing. Okay, well, the police came out of their car with guns. And the guns... Oops. Stupid gun. Okay, good. And the guns started shooting the wee little truck. So that's a bullet, okay? In case you didn't know, that's a bullet. That's a all the rage bullet. And the truck got a crack in him because of the bullet. Obvious. Like, you know what? Forget about it. I don't have to write down what I say, okay? I'm saying it. And the truck became sad because it just got shot. Well, then the truck drove all the way to the flower. Who had more petals because it had grown up? The flower was like, I can't help you because I don't fix trucks. But by the time it said that sentence, the truck sadly died. And his parts were scrapped in the Dun Valley Dungeon. DVD. And that's how DVDs were made. Not. Oh, I hope you like that. Or not. So depressing. Let's come over here. So, hope you like that, and see you in more of them. See me in more of them. More like, I'm out! I'll see episodes.